the main objective of the Health Economics and Finance program of Philippine Institute for Development Studies is to actually come up with data-driven, innovative research for implementing agencies like PhilHealth and DOH to use for the implementation of the Universal Healthcare Act. And if you see the Universal Healthcare Act, there's a lot of provisions, kailangan baguhin natin yung how we pay providers or mga doctors or mga hospitals. Isang aspect po yun ng Universal Healthcare Act. And we need a lot of research to properly pay them. And alam natin na yun yung main challenge minsan, hindi tama yung payments, kulang, etc. And I think this program will actually assess PhilHealth and DOH to address some of those lingering issues in the health sector. Kasi mataas yung out of pocket kasi hindi natin nakukuha yung tamang cost ng healthcare services. Because in the DRG, take into account the case complexity, dahil isang type lang silang sakit, iba-iba naman yung case complexity, It's a function of age, function din ng severity of the illness, length of stay, and other factors that might drive cost. So yun yung gagawin ng DRG is to kind of adjust all those factors.